How to reset the home screen on iPhone. To reset the home screen on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. Once you're in, you can make all the primary changes to your phone. Then, you need to scroll down and find the option General from here. Once you find it, tap on it. Then, scroll all the way to the bottom. After that, tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Before resetting your iPhone, make sure everything's ready to transfer to a new iPhone, even if you don't currently have enough iCloud storage to backup. From here, tap Reset at the bottom. A menu will appear like this. From here, you need to select the Reset Home Screen Layout option. After that, your home screen layout will be reset. By following these simple steps, you can easily reset the home screen on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.